Welcome to Military Tech Insider. In this episode, we'll take a deep dive into the military of the United States of America, one of the most powerful armed forces in the world. We'll focus on the structure, technologies, and unique aspects of the U.S. military and uncover the factors that contribute to the U.S.'s dominance on the world stage. At the end of this video, we'll also give a sneak peek into our next topic, the military of the Russian Federation. As always, at the beginning a short overview of the different parts. Organizational structure of the U.S. military. Military budget and expenditures. U.S. Army, Land Forces. U.S. Navy, Naval Forces. U.S. Air Force, Air Forces. U.S. Marine Corps, Marine Infantry. U.S. Space Force, Space Forces. Cyber Warfare and Special Operations Forces. Military Training and Culture. Military Alliances and Cooperation. At the end, the conclusion and preview of the next theme. Section 1, Organizational Structure of the U.S. Military. The U.S. military is divided into 5 main branches: Army, Navy, Air Force, Marine Corps, and Space Force. These branches are part of the Department of Defense, DoD, which is led by the Secretary of Defense. Each branch has its own leader who reports directly to the Secretary of Defense. Beneath this structure, various commands are responsible for regional and functional tasks, including the United States Africa Command, AFRICOM, the United States Indo-Pacific Command, INDOPACOM, and the United States Cyber Command, CYBERCOM. Section 2, Military Budget and Expenditures. The United States has the highest military budget in the world. In 2021, the budget was approximately $740 billion, accounting for about 3.5% of the gross domestic product, GDP. This massive funding allows the United States to invest in cutting-edge technologies, expand its military presence globally, and invest in research and development for future warfare. Section 3, U.S. Army, Land Forces. The U.S. Army is the largest branch of the U.S. military and possesses advanced weapon systems and equipment. It is divided into various combat units, including armored, artillery, infantry, and air defense. The most advanced weapon systems in the U.S. Army include the M1 Abrams main battle tank, the Stryker armored fighting vehicle, and the M270 MLRS multiple rocket launcher system. The Army also employs drones for reconnaissance and attacks, such as the MQ-1C Gray Eagle. Section 4, U.S. Navy, Naval Forces. The U.S. Navy is the largest and most powerful naval force in the world, consisting of aircraft carriers, guided missile cruisers, destroyers, submarines, and other ship types. The Nimitz and Gerald R. Ford-class aircraft carriers are the centerpiece of the U.S. Navy, allowing for rapid and effective power projection to all parts of the world. The U.S. Navy also boasts an impressive fleet of nuclear submarines used for both reconnaissance and launching ballistic missiles. Section 5, U.S. Air Force, Air Forces. The U.S. Air Force is the dominant air power in the world and has an impressive fleet of fighter aircraft, bombers, transport aircraft, and reconnaissance drones. The most advanced aircraft include the stealth F-35 Lightning II fighter jet, the F-22 Raptor, and the B-21 Raider long-range bomber. The Air Force is also responsible for the strategic nuclear weapons of the United States, operating a fleet of intercontinental ballistic missiles and long-range bombers equipped with nuclear warheads. Section 6, U.S. Marine Corps, Marine Infantry. The U.S. Marine Corps is a separate branch within the U.S. Navy, acting as a rapid intervention force for expeditionary and amphibious operations. The Marines are known for fighting in the toughest conditions and rely on a variety of weapon systems and vehicles, including the AAV-7 amphibious assault vehicle and the MV-22 Osprey reconnaissance and attack aircraft. Section 7, U.S. Space Force, Space Forces. The U.S. Space Force was established in 2019 and is the youngest branch of the U.S. military. Its primary mission is to secure and defend U.S. interests in space, including securing satellite communications, reconnaissance, and positioning. Although the Space Force is still in its developmental phase, its establishment demonstrates the growing importance of space for U.S. national security. Section 8, Cyber Warfare and Special Operations Forces. The United States has a strong presence in cyber warfare and has established specialized units such as the United States Cyber Command, a cybercom, to defend against enemy cyber attacks and conduct its own cyber operations. Additionally, the U.S. possesses world-renowned special operations forces such as the Navy SEALs, Delta Force, and Green Berets, which are deployed for covert and high-risk operations. Section 9, Military Training and Culture. Training in the U.S. military is designed to promote physical fitness, technical expertise, and leadership skills. Each branch of the military has its specialized training to ensure that service members are prepared for the specific challenges and tasks of their respective roles. The cultural values of the U.S. military emphasize discipline, loyalty, integrity, and teamwork to ensure the effectiveness and readiness of the armed forces. Section 10, Military Alliances and Cooperation. The United States is a member of numerous military alliances and cooperations, including NATO, the Five Eyes Intelligence Alliance, and bilateral defense agreements with countries like Japan and South Korea. These partnerships enable the United States to project its military power globally and conduct joint exercises and operations with allies. Now the conclusion and the outlook for the next topic. The United States possesses one of the most powerful and technologically advanced armed forces in the world. Its dominance in military technology and its ability to act quickly and effectively worldwide have made the U.S. a global superpower. The immense funding, diverse branches, advanced technology, and military alliances all contribute to the U.S. military's dominant role on the world stage. In the next episode of Military Tech Insider, we'll be exploring the military of the Russian Federation, another major player on the world stage. We'll investigate the structure, technologies, and unique aspects of the Russian armed forces and analyze their role in global security politics. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to not miss any future episodes. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We look forward to your comments and opinions on this topic. See you next time on Military Tech Insider.